Let's picture. What's up na mga barbarians, dito tayo sa panibagong video. So yun, nasa cosplay matsuri tayo and ang kino-cosplay ko is si sa bullet train, which is yan, kasama ko to, sa bullet train, which is si Tangerine, and kasama ko rin si Caster na nagko-cosplay na sa Genshin. Yay! Naging role tulad ni Chamber, you're so dead, saka dito was Lemon, Tangerine. Tapos si Pablo Escobar na what the fuck was hell. naging naging si pag dito Thomas Shelby yung tapos yun, nasa na yung card ay naging Tagalog. So yan, naging tatlo yung ko ngayon, cosplay. Yung iba akala nila Chamber, yung iba akala nila Pablo Escobar. Which is sabihin ko yun sa ending rin. Tapos pero ang ko talaga is si Tangerine, which is yung iba naman na hulaan nila na tama. And ayun lang. what's up guys? So, ayun, marami nakapila tao ngayon kasi mag-i-start pa lang yung event. Tapos, nandito ako ngayon as si Tetsudo Hisakawa, which is, one of the character in Anohana. So, which is yung drama anime siya. Which is, check nyo yun, maganda yun. Which is, nung sino-cosplay ko nga siya, medyo ang sakit sa puso kasi naalala ko yung story nung film or nung series. Kasi meron dalawa yan, meron siyang series saka yung film. Yung film niya, more on like summarization nung story. Pero I prefer na panoorin niyo yung series. So, yun lang.
Let's keep one line only. Avoid tayo ng snake. Ang snake line. Single.
Just came here for you. I thought yesterday was crowded and today. How do you guys move around? You thought yesterday was crowded. Alright, so welcome once more to Cosplay Matsuri. Our community has been buzzing with excitement, right guys? Is it really buzzing with excitement? Hey, can't hear you! Alright! Since we announced that you would be coming, and right now, I'm sure a lot of your fans want to get to know more about you. So we're here once more on stage to have a Q&A segment. First question. Many people are still wondering why you decided on your stage name since we have a new crowd right now. Maybe you'd like to tell them what's the history behind the name Rin.
So Rin is actually my original Chunibyo name that
Yan. Okay na. Okay?
So, ayun guys. Nakompleto ko na. Ayan. Tapos, naunahan ako dun sa Pumaypay which is, yun sana kukunin ko. Kaso, wala. Tapos, yung nakuha ko, papakita ko sa inyo guys. Ito. Ito. Nakawig na si Yor, so kinuha ko. So, ayun. Yun, share ko lang guys.